Hi there, this is Ekrem calling. Welcome to the step-by-step Crystal video series. In this video, I'm gonna talking about the installation of the Crystal language. Depending on your operating system, there are some options for installing Crystal language. For the Windows users, I have a bad news as today. Unfortunately, there is no official option to install Crystal on Windows, sorry. But if you have a experimental bash development on or bash on Ubuntu on Windows, you can get the experimental version of Crystal language, like installing the Debian or Ubuntu, because maybe you know bash is a very popular shell program in Unix and Linux. It's the alternative of PowerShell or command line. For the Mac users, you get your companion Homebrew. It's easy to install as a one command. For people like me who's using Linux or Unix family, you get from your package manager, if you have either Debian or Ubuntu or Red Hat or CentOS or Arch Linux and flavors like Manjaro, Antegros, uh, or you can compile from sources by the getting a source code from GitHub, or you can get precompiled files from a TarGS, like I did. I suggest you to get a TarGS because my operating system Solus OS has no Crystal package available on its package manager. What you need to do is getting a TarGS on this site, Crystal releases page. The latest release, as today it's 0.23.1. You can get either 32-bit or 64-bit system. Mostly you need to get this one, 64-bit. Or if you have a macOS, you can get a Darwin option as well. Download this and then extract into the anywhere on your computer or laptop and make them linked available as a include one file. Was important when you extracted it. There is a Crystal executable in the bin folder. You can extract a use there, but mostly you have to enter a full path if you don't make a symbolic linking with lns ln-s, the path you extracted Crystal executables, and then you can point it to user local bin crystal or another path that's added to the path variable in your shell, by and then you would be able to use crystal executable by writing like this. Yeah, if you write this crystal alone, there is a usage and commands available. Yeah, you can examine more deeper on depending on your operating system and get mostly you need your there is available on your package manager, unless you have a Solus like operating systems. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you if I have some issues like this before, I'm sorry. I apologize. Yeah, I did it again. See you on the next videos.